नमस्ते, मेरा नाम सेबास्टियन रॉय। मैं आप सबको स्वागत करता हूँ। आज हम बात करेंगे इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इन हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में। हॉस्पिटैलिटी में लोग दुनिया भर से आते हैं, अलग अलग कल्चर से। इसीलिए इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि ये मदद करेगा सभी को एक साथ एक टीम में काम करने में। हॉस्पिटैलिटी को सक्सेसफुल बने के लिए इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट में मदद करता हूं। So let's move on to the presentation. In this topic, we discuss about the overview and key functions of IHRM. So the definition of IHRM is about managing HR in global context, focusing on the culture, legal and economic varieties in an organization. Next, the key functions of IHRM. The core function includes training, recruitment and performance appraisal, and fostering the employees to perform well in their work. Next, the importance of IHRM in an organization. So IHRM aligns local HR practices with global corporate objective. It makes objectives and ensure the efficient workforce in an organization. The crucial role of HR in change management. Change management strategies. HR professionals are at the forefront of change management, leading innovative and adaptive techniques to evolve the business ideas. This involves encourage employees in team building, facilitating a smooth transaction processes. Build a change-ready culture. A key aspect of HR role is cultivating a change-ready culture in the organization by adaptive techniques and innovative ideas. This involves promoting an open communication and enhancing feedback sessions from the employees. Employee support. HR provides training and resources, helping the employees to adapt to new processes and technologies, which helps them to maximize their work. HR leads to development of changing strategies to ensure smooth transition in the organization, which helps the organization to control and coordinate with employees in a smooth manner. Cultural diversity. Understanding cultural aspect. HRM should understand the cultural diversity within the organization, which helps to differentiate the different culture in communication style, work ethics, and decision-making process. This knowledge is essential for building effective cross-cultural teams and fostering a sense of infusion in employees who are working together. Promoting inclusive practices. Cultivating an inclusive workspace means creating an environment where all employees feel valued and responsible. This involves addressing unconscious bias, promoting equal opportunities and fostering a sense of belongingness among the employees from diverse backgrounds. Building global teams. HR plays a vital role in building effective global teams. This requires understanding the challenges of work across time zones and culture and developing strategies to bridge communication gap to build trust among the employees. Role in mergers and acquisition. Cultural due diligence. During mergers and acquisition, HR plays a crucial role conducting cultural due diligence. This involves evaluating the cultural capabilities of the merging organization to identify potential challenges and develop strategies according to the potential challenges which they face. Integration strategies. HR professionals are responsible for developing integration strategies that ensures a smooth transition for the merging organization. This involves aligning human resource practice, addressing potential employees and fostering a sense of unity among these employees. Communication and transparency. Effective communication during a merger and acquisition. HR professionals must keep employees informed about the processes, address concerns, and provide clear guidance on the new organizational structure and policies which are made in the organization. Women in workplace. Addressing gender bias. HR professionals must actively combat gender bias in the workspace. This involves promoting equal opportunities, ensuring fair competitions, and creating a workspace culture that supports women's career in advancement. Mentorship and sponsorship. Mentorship and sponsorship programs can be a valuable tool for supporting women's career growth. HR can facilitate these programs by connecting women with mentors and supporters who can provide guidance and advisories for the growth of these women in the organization. Leadership development. HR plays a crucial role in providing leadership development opportunities for women, preparing them for serious management roles and breaking down barriers to advancement. This involves tailoring trainings, programs, and mentorship activities. The future of HR. Data-driven insight. HR professionals are increasingly relying on data to drive decision making. This involves leveraging analytics to understand workforce strengths, predict future needs, and optimize HR processes for the smooth functioning. Employee experience. The future of HR is focused on enhancing employee experience. This involves creating a more human-centric workspace that prioritizes employee well-being, personal growth, and career development in the organization, which helps the employees for enhancing their maximum efforts. Technology adoption. HR technologies is rapidly evolving, offering new tools to manage HR recruitment, training, compensation, and performance appraisal. HR professionals must embark these technologies to enhance efficiency and effectiveness in the organization. Hope you guys have understood the topic very clearly, and thank you and have a nice day.